Are you planning to add some outdoor living space this summer with pavers? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about some paver project pointers right after this.
Every home has things it needs, things that need to be maintained, fixed, or replaced. The Home Depot is here to help you get it done. You can easily find what you need on our app, order it online with the push of a button, and have it brought to your door with free delivery on over 1 million items. We have the essentials you need, the online know-how you may need to do it yourself, and low prices that make it all possible. The Home Depot, how doers get more done.
Pavers are a great way for homeowners to add outdoor living space themselves, but you need to do the job right unless you want to redo it again in just a few seasons. First, start with a good base. Instead of sand, use 3 to 6 inches of compactable crushed stone or rock as a base material. You can find it with the pavers at your home center. Then rent a plate compactor to pound it into a flat, solid surface. Then you can add 1-inch layer of sand on top of that to bed the pavers in. Once the surface is complete, secure plastic edging strips around the perimeter with long spikes to keep the blocks along the edges firmly in place. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.